Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify for digital coloring books. Business easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. Now listen to the website. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, here enter your email address and start free trial. Now just skip all this if you want. So I'm gonna just skip all this and continue. Now you can choose an account. Now wait a few seconds to build in the store. So the first thing you have to do now, go to the online store and go to the themes here where you can change the themes if you want. You can customize them on your homepage store. So here you can select any theme you want. For example, I'm gonna select this and wait a few seconds to install in the theme. So click publish like this, and now you can customize it on your homepage store. Go here to this customize, and it will take you to your homepage store. If you wanna change the style of the homepage, you can change the desktop style or like a mobile style. You can make it like a mobile style or like a full screen style. So that's it. You can change the announcements here. The settings, this is the settings where you can design your home page. The first is the header. We have here the announcements bar. You can change here the color scheme. You can change the can turn this on, show separator line. You can show icons on desktop. You can also turn this on, auto rotate announcements. You can enable country and region selector, and you can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the announcements. Here you can change the text. You can pass a link or search for collections. For example, I'm gonna select the all collections. Now let's get back and let's move on to the header. Here the header, we find here the desktop logo position. You can change it. You can also change the main menu or remove it if you want. You can change the desktop menu type, and also you can change the sticky header. You can show separator line. You can change the color scheme and the menu color scheme. You can enable country and region selector and enable language selector. You can manage the mobile layout. You can manage the section pattern and the spacing. Here you can manage the same settings. You can put your social media links wherever you want. Of your links, you can put your Twitter or your Facebook link or Pinterest or Instagram or wherever you want. Now let's move on to the logo. You can select your logo from your library. You must select it from your library. So just for example, let's search on it on the browser. So for some logos, digital coloring books, logo idea like this. So for example let's choose this. So just for example, this is your logo right now. So you can change it at any time you want. You can design it if you want. You can edit it if you want. You can remove it. Here you can edit the desktop logo width. So let's get back and let's move on to the next section, the image banner section. Here you can select the first image. Also you can add the second image. So for example, let's select an image from the browser, for example like this. So for example, I'm gonna choose this just for example. You can choose whatever you want. You can put the second image. So that's it. Now let's move on. You can change the banner height. You can change the desktop content position. You can show container on desktop. So I'm gonna turn this off. You can change the desktop content alignment, you can change the color scheme, you can also manage the animations, you can manage the mobile layout, you can also here stock image on mobile or show container on mobile. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on. Here the heading, you can generate the heading, just describe what this text is about. Digital product, like this, and click here and wait from the suggestions. For example, this here you can change the heading size, like this. Now let's get back. Here you can manage the button, the first button label. You can change the first button link. I'm gonna select all collections. Here you can use the outline button style. You can also change the second button label or add it. You can also pass a link or search for the second button link. You can use the outline button style. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the next section, the features collection. Here also you can generate the text on the heading, digital coloring. Digital coloring box, like this. So for example this, here you can change the heading size, you can also add the description, you can generate the text, just describe what this text is about. Here you can show collection description from the admin. You can also manage the description style. You can make products for width. You can also enable view all if collection has more products than shown. You can enable carousel on desktop. You can show second image on hover. You can also show vendor. You can show product rating, and you can enable quick add button. Here you can enable swipe on mobile. So that's it. After you're done from this, if you want to add something new on your home page, just click here, select what kind of section you want to add, like another image banner or image with the text or slideshow. So that's it. The last section here, we have the footer. You can edit the color scheme. You can also show email sign up. You can change the heading, digital coloring box, like this. You can generate. So here you can enable follow on shop. You can show social media icons. You can show payments icons. Here you can show policy links. So that's it. After you're done from this, you can just save this, and let's get back to the home page, the dashboard, where you can name your store. So here, after you customize your online store and add the custom domain, and after add the sharing details, the next step is name your store. So here you can name it, type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone, and you can also here change your store email. So that's it. Now let's save this. Now after you customize your online store, after you name your store, now you can launch your online store, the last step, and publish it. You can pick a plane like this. You can remove your store password. You can choose a plane or the active trial. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.